Imagine this, you're cruising down a quiet road, the sun dipping behind the hills, the wind brushing your face, and you're not in a car or a van. You're in something completely futuristic, completely unexpected, a 2026 camper tricycle RV that looks like it's rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is not your ordinary camper. This is the future of tiny living, the future of mobile adventure, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. It's got 3 wheels, yes, but don't let that fool you. This machine is a fully loaded, high-tech, ultra-efficient mobile home wrapped in a sleek, aerodynamic body that turns heads wherever it goes. People stop and stare. Some even take pictures. Why? Because this isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. Built for the bold, designed for the dreamers, this 2026 tricycle RV comes with a futuristic aluminum alloy frame that keeps it incredibly lightweight yet strong enough to handle any journey. And powered by a state-of-the-art electric motor, it offers you not just a smooth ride but a completely emission-free one. Imagine crossing the countryside with no engine roar, just the quiet hum of the future beneath you. Inside? You're going to be shocked by how much they've packed into such a compact space. Slide open the smart touch door, and you're welcomed by an ultra-modern interior that adapts to your needs. A convertible bed setup that folds seamlessly into a dining area. Hidden compartments for gear. Fold-down table, LED lighting, climate control, and even a mini entertainment hub with a retractable screen and satellite internet. The kitchen? Yes, it has one. Compact but clever, it includes a dual-burner induction stove, a solar-powered fridge, and a fold-out sink with a built-in filtration system. It's off-grid ready, with solar panels on the roof and a lithium-ion battery system that charges while you ride or soaks up the sun while you camp. You're not just exploring the outdoors, you're living smart, light, and free. Now think about this, parking. You don't need a giant spot like a typical RV. This 3-wheeled marvel fits into urban spaces, remote trails, and even narrow alleys. It's built to go where bigger vehicles can't. Whether you're stealth camping in a city or tucked away in a forest, it adapts. You don't need a special license. No heavy-duty maintenance. Just you, your camper trike, and the open road. And safety? Covered. With 360-degree cameras, AI-powered lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and regenerative braking, you're protected from every angle. There's even a voice-controlled assistant that helps with navigation, battery monitoring, and climate settings. It's like having your own co-pilot, ready for anything. But here's the part that really blows minds: affordability. Compared to traditional campers or tiny homes, this futuristic RV trike is insanely budget-friendly. No rent. No hotel bookings. No fuel expenses. You're investing once, and after that, your freedom is limitless. Live wherever, travel whenever, and never worry about rising costs.